What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a quick technical analysis over Ethereum. Yeah, let's get started. Of course, Ethereum available on Coinbase. This is the chart we're going to be looking at, the Coinbase one, not like Bitfinex, Bittrex, or any other charts, just simply Coinbase. Here we go, guys. Yeah, we're on the daily chart right now. So as you guys know, or as you may know, or may not know, I like to start up from the daily and then work my way down to the 4 hour, then 1 hour. And if I'm going to be doing day trading, stay on the 15 um, or 3 minute chart to do day trading. Sorry about that. My phone went off. Quiet that. All right. So yeah, 1 day chart. Let's get it. Let's start drawing our trend lines. So as you can see, we are in a bit of a downtrend, dating all the way back from February 14th is when we peaked for Ethereum. We peaked at around let's see, 1419, so 1419 was the peak. And yeah, so let's start drawing this out. As you can see, let's go right there. So as you can see, we still are in this downtrend. We are very much in this downtrend still. Let's take a look at actually, see if this works out. Is that a valid trend line to you guys? One bounce, two bounce, broke it, but then quickly retraced within the day. Had no problem getting back into it. Yeah, let's go with that trend line. Some of y'all might be thinking I'm crazy saying that's not even a nice trend line. It broke it, but no, I think it's a good one because we had one bounce right here, second bounce right here. Then when we broke it, we quickly came back, had a 1 day resistance, and just went straight back into it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that as a support for this channel, this specific channel right here. However, taking a look right here, this horizontal trend line right here, or horizontal line right here, we have this could be key right here, guys. Let me change that to white. This could be key right here, actually, as at the time making this video. As you can see, this is a very strong line right here. If we break this, you can expect us to drop all the way to about, no, I wouldn't say that drastically, but actually we probably could drop. We could see a $500 Ethereum if we were to break this line. We could see one. We could see one. So yeah, let me give you my reasoning as to why I believe this is a strong resistance and support line. Reason being, or mainly a strong support line, not really resistance line because it's never been touched as a resistance, so support line. So first, we have our first touch right here. It broke. We had this long green wick. We broke it, retraced, bounced off, retraced, bounced off. Little consolidation right here. Little couple touches right here with the wicks. Then we shot all the way up. Then it's once we started this long downtrend, we came all the way down here. We bounced off of it right here. That's like a clear signal to me is that this is a strong support line. Bounced off back into our channel, and then as of today, March 11th, we had just bounced off this line yesterday. As you can see, or actually we're bouncing off of it today. Yesterday we tested it. So now today we are bouncing off of it. So hopefully this candle close green, and then hopefully tomorrow we get another green candle. And if we can break this line, we'd break it around right here. This is a descending triangle. So I think we'd break it around right here. We could expect to move up to about 900. I'd say about 900. Next target being the thousand coin. Just going based off of these right here. This around the 1,000 area. Let's do it right here. Like that, horizontal, and then right here, right there. There we go. So yeah, guys, that is the daily chart. Let's move on to the 4 hour. fix that. All right, so like I said in my previous video, I used the 4-hour to find smaller levels of resistance and supports. So right here, this actually is the making of one. Gonna have to keep an eye on this one right here. Let's change this to purple. This right here is gonna have to be something to keep an eye on, because as you can see, we had a little support. We dropped, had this little green candle, then we broke it, and we had a big drop. Bounced off this support line, then we touched this purple line, which is the resistance. Bounced again, bounced off this support, then we touched it, and as you can see right now, we are in the middle of bouncing off of it. Saw that green candle right there. Now the red candle right now on this 4-hour is bouncing off that resistance line. So yeah, and right here we have another resistance line that we can see forming, or that has been formed from previous price action. So if we were to break this will, remember we made this trend line, or I'm sorry, this resistance line on the daily chart. If we were to break this, we'd probably see a little bit of resistance right here, possibly bounce back, start a little consolidation period. Or if we do break this, then we can fully expect to get up to around this area. How do I get my little box? Where's my little box? Oh, rectangle, here we go. If we break this purple resistance line, we can expect an area of right here. Because as you can see, this is resistance right here, because we have previous price action used as resistance and support and resistance. So we can expect that to be very minor resistance, and then we would touch this white line if we were to break it. So yeah, guys, that is the 4-hour chart. Am I missing anything else? We could draw. As a matter of fact, we might actually, instead of hitting right here, we'd honestly hit right here instead. Let's draw that out. We would hit right there. So if we were to break this second purple line, we would bounce off this third purple red line, probably consolidate for a little bit, and if we were to break this one up, then we would hit this final primary resistance that was created on the daily chart. So yeah, guys, that is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the 1-hour just for a brief moment. So yes, sir, here we go. Zoomed out perfectly like a charm. All right, so yeah, let's find some more. All right here we go. We have right here. Let's get this yellow. Here we have that is going to be a resistance for this upcoming trend if we do break this. As you can see, we had a lot of movement off this support line. So right here, we could actually go right here. We get a bounce off, a second bounce off, a third. We use this resistance. Then as you can see right here, all this, I don't have to really say, all this price action right here, just bouncing off of it, So yeah, that is looks to be one of the only ones we're gonna find on the 1-hour. Maybe right here, could do that, but that only has a couple touches. Yeah, guys, that looks to be it. Let's do our little, I didn't do it in my last video, but the bar replay feature that I talk about so highly of. No, what are we doing? What are we doing? What is this? I can't stand this sometimes, dude. So annoying. There we go. Alright, let's start it up. I wish I could go faster. Maybe we should do the 4-hour instead. Yeah, I'll do 4-hour instead. So yeah, as you can see, we this I just like to do this just for fun. You can see how your trend lines stack up, how they were actually formed. And it just looks, in my opinion, it looks so cool when like they bounce off your trend line. It's like, dang, like that's a perfect trend line. Like right there, that was just like perfect, right? Like right here in this area, it just looks so cool because it looked perfect because it bounced off here, bounced up right there, bounced off again, came down here and bounced again, and then right here we bounced off. It just looks cool when you know like your trend lines are correct, and I'll stand by my trend lines before I stand by anybody else's. I guarantee you guys that. So yeah, guys, this was a quick just actually a tip that I like to do is I'll leave these on the hours, but let me see. I'll take them off the daily ones because I only want to see my, so like I'll take this off the daily one because I'm not going to ever see that trend line in the day. And then these I'll leave them on there since they're 4 hour ones. But any trend lines that I draw that are on an hour, I'll take them off because I just want to get the bigger picture when I'm on the dailies. So yeah, so yeah, there's that. So yeah, guys, that was my technical analysis for Ethereum. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, if you have a coin that you want me to take a look at, just leave it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to do a technical analysis over it and get it to you as fast as possible. So yeah, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. If you enjoyed the video, I really appreciate it, and it lets me know that I'm not just making these videos for nothing, and that people are actually enjoying them. So yeah, guys, I hope you all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.